Hello, dear viewers! I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today, I'm here to share with you some of my favorite hijab styling methods. Changing up our hijab style each time can boost our confidence, make us feel a little different, and bring fresh energy into our daily lives, right? I'm the same way. I love trying out new styles from time to time, and I believe you'll share that feeling with me. In this video, I'll be showing you a few easy and comfortable ways to style your hijab, step by step. I've carefully chosen styles that each of you can apply without difficulty, so that no one will feel stuck. I want to make the time you spend in front of the mirror at home a little more fun, as if you're sitting down with a close friend who's sharing beauty secrets. I truly think that styling the hijab is an art, and it's beautiful how each of us adds our unique touch to it. To help you find a style that feels right for you, I'll explain each method carefully, walking through each step so that no details are missed. My hope is that, by the end, you'll feel happy and special because you've learned something new. If you find this video helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support encourages me to create more valuable content, and every comment, every like means so much to me and strengthens my passion for this work. Now, let's dive in and enjoy learning these beautiful hijab styles together. Remember, the best part is that each of you has your own unique style, and you're all incredibly special. Sending each of you warm wishes and happy watching.